Retro! I was just telling Eddie and Teresa, I remember my first mother-in-law, Miss Deen, making these and on her Christmas table. And I in turn have made them too. It's so quick, so easy, and low in calories. You know, pickles have no calories. Ham, it's a protein, no carbs. Even your cream cheese and no carbs. So this is a perfect snack.
This is our last Easter.
For the children.
One of our very last Easter recipes we're doing.
Yes, because you know what I think I've decided this Easter? Y'all, I don't think I'm going to do a big meal. I think I'm going to do light stuff. Not light, but
like appetizer
yes,
things
yes.
Instead of.
So you just roll that up, and there's your app.
You want a toothpick?
No, well, I could use a toothpick, but I'm actually going to slice these into like thirds. And you just want to make sure that.
We were talking about how pickles are just literally there's everything out there. There's dill popcorn, there's dill potato chips, there's dill.
I know. We'll put a little glue right there.
Have you tried it with other types of cold cuts? Like roast beef
Usually it's ham that we always do.
But you probably could. I bet you could do it with turkey. Maybe it won't have as much flavor. Roast beef might be like I've never even thought about roast beef.
I actually, when I made this years ago, I actually I'm gonna put a little on each layer so it'll stick. I actually used a smaller pickle. So, but that's up to you. You can use any size.
Well, you could probably go to the deli and actually get them to slice a little tiny bit thicker, the ham.
Oh,
you know what I mean?
I think the thin works really
better?
good. Yeah, I think it works good.
Michael could eat these.
Yes.
Because he likes that whole carb free.
Yeah, and he's been trying to lose weight, but okay. Get our cute little appetizers.
Get your little
I don't have a decent knife in the house. It's what makes me so mad. Yes, I would love a little plate. I'll stick a little glue. As you put these together, you'll figure out quickly exactly how you need to do it. But they're yummy, especially when you think no carbs, no fat.
So Easter, you're thinking finger food and an Easter egg hunt? Maybe?
Yes. I feel like I've got to do the Easter egg hunt because it's just a tradition. We've done it every year, and
oh yeah, they'll expect those Easter egg hunts.
Oh yes,
those children will have.
I've already started getting phone calls. So we're doing an Easter egg hunt or what?
How about the baskets? Are you doing baskets this year?
Oh gosh, yes. In fact, I want to start putting them together. You know, are we going to be busy next week, Eddie?
No, next week. We leave at the end of next week, so we have all week to do it.
We could start working on them like Saturday through the time that we leave, because it does take a while. Teresa, would you like one?
Yes.
It's got no sugar in it, no carbs. Eddie, would you like one, Eddie?
These are good.
Aren't they good?
I like the originals.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? And I don't know if it's because it brings back memories or if it's just that.
Yeah, it does.
It's just good flavors.
Yeah. You know, our mothers did do quick and easy things that were good. Thank you, mommies. No carb. Happy Easter to all of y'all. Having best dishes. There you go, Eddie. You can have the ugly one.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.